In a world of uncertainty and change, we must evolve together. We are ready. Are you? Long hours can be spent with every decision and machining process. The digitalization of Kyocera will liberate you from the process. With ideal tool designs for smarter manufacturing, with optimized machining conditions and better tool selection, by eliminating machining issues before they become problems. Our destination, from a world determined after machining to a world we can see before machining takes place. Welcome to a digital, more connected, smarter future.